Hey guys, it's Christina here from Life According to Kay. And I really wanted to reach out to those of you that have subscribed to my channel and are interested in understanding why I started my channel and just kind of talk a little bit about what my thoughts were there and also just share with you what my goal is. I have a goal of 200 subscribers in the 10th month of the year, which is October. So I really hope that you all like what you see. I started the channel because I recently became interested in doing things on my own and not being so dependent on having to pay people to do things, but figuring out ways that I can do it myself. And if I absolutely have to pay somebody for heavy duty things, of course that happens from time to time, but I have just that independent soul that really just wants to do things on my own if I can without having to pay people for it. And I have fun doing it, right? I've always been curious. I really love asking questions and finding out things and just having fun in the process. So I thought maybe there might be some like-minded people out there. So I really hope if you like the premise of this channel, you love what I'm doing with my car or the decorating I'm doing or the food that I'm doing, or some of the camping tips that I'm doing, just all different phases of living an independent life. I would love for you to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on the channel. Bye-bye. Check out these videos and more from Life According to Kay on my YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you, friends. 210. Bye.